Hi, I'm Andy Turtle, Technical Product Manager here at WAGO. Today, I'm excited to present our new Base DC power supply. WAGO's Base power supply represents the perfect solution for OEMs and panel builders looking for an extremely cost-effective, space-saving product. Key benefits include a durable metal construction, class-leading compact design with 5 amps just 35mm wide and a wide operational temperature range. Couple these benefits with WAGO's legendary push-in cage clamp connections for fast, tool-free assembly and a free of maintenance operation. With class-leading efficiency of up to 94%, meaning lower cabinet heat rise and energy savings for the end user, the WAGO Base makes a compelling solution for your DC power supply requirements.